Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW Tab 16 Pro, and today I will show you how we can enable power saving mode on this device. To get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the power saving toggle. If it's not visible on the first page, you might need to swipe to the left, which will show you additional pages. Now it looks like it's not accessible to me. Oh, there it is. So for me it is on the first page. Anyway, once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it and then choose turn on. As you can see, this enables dark mode, and there's a couple additional things happening in the background as well. So be very mindful. If you see something working a bit differently than you are used to, it's probably power saving mode. Sometimes if you hold the toggle, it will, there we go, show you what are the changes that will be happening right here, so you can go over them and just figure it out. Now, once you're done with power saving mode, you can quickly turn it off by tapping on a toggle once again, and this will revert the changes back to its original state. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.